Well, I've been hinting around about this guide and I did drop a link for it in the chat. So let's address it directly. This is the Educational Leadership Higher Education Library Research Guide. And like I said, we've looked at the program and all of the things that you're expected to do, and we have built tools around that to help you succeed. We do have search basics. If you want to go over a tutorial of how to use Discovery Search again, we do have a very quick video. It's less than 3 minutes that goes over all the things that we looked at together. As well as an access point for Lean Library if you'd like to continue using the open web. We do have a list of suggested databases. However, like I mentioned earlier, most of these do feed the Discovery search engine. So if you're using Discovery, you are using these. However, we also know that it's a very interdisciplinary field. So if you're interested in psychology or business or sociology, depending on your research question, you might want to get even more specific with your searches. And searching at the database level will return fewer, more specific results, but sometimes you can miss out on things. There are pros and cons to searching at the database level versus discovery. But the rules work the same way. Keywords and quotation marks and all the other tricks that we talked about with filters all apply, whether you're at the database level or at the search engine level. We also have some data points here for actual data. If you need data sets, if you need polls, if you need Department of Education information, we have links here for those tools as well, including our database Statista, which is one of the unsung heroes of the library. So if you're looking for data, this is a good place to look for that. And then we also have some information about creating a literature review, appraising your resources. This tool covers the things that we talked about at the beginning of the lesson today, different kinds of information and use cases for them. So if you want to check that out, you can review the different kinds of information we talked about there, as well as preparing your review and the act of synthesizing, which can be its own challenge. So if you find yourself feeling like you need a little extra help, you could check out this section of the guide as well. We have an interlibrary loan link, a link to our citation help guide. So if you feel nervous about citing your sources, that can be a good place for you to look, as well as a link out to our AI search companion. So please utilize that research guide. It is there very specifically for you. It was engineered for you, and I want you to make good use of it as you go through this program through your research. Now, that was my huge news, is we made a bot.